The question is write a program to read student number, name and city from the keyboard. Write this data into file called student.txt. This is the first question of file handling in C language. First, we have to declare a variable which are int r, character, name of 30 string, city of 30 string. To open file, file in capital, pointer file equal to f open student.txt. If we don't know the meaning of file pointer file equal to f open student.txt, then click on this icon I which you can see in the right corner of your screen. If file equal to null means if there is no data in a file. Printf error opening file /n to give a new line. Printf enter student name or scanf %d ampersand r means roll number, printf name enter name scanf %s name printf enter city name scanf %s city. fprintf fprintf works similarly to the printf function, but instead of printing output on screen, it prints the output in file back to Pavilion. fprintf file student number %d comma r, which is the variable. Here, instead of writing file, we can take any name like sum, max, or any other name. fprintf file comma student name %s name again variable. fprintf file student city name %s city fclose to close the file. Inside the brackets we have to write the file name, which here very important to initialize that we have to write or read the right here. First we have to write to see the output in a file. In C drive we have to open file of Turbo and bin. Inside this file, the bin folder, the bin, the bin file, and first we have to find the student name. Here we can see that there is no data because let's print some data, name, number, and city. And as we can see, the output is printed in a file.